Hello and welcome to Saha Computer. This is the third part of this tutorial series Multiple Shift Due to Roster. Previously I have made 3 videos on this. First one is a demonstration of this roster. Second is creating the setting sheet. Then we have created the master sheet. So if you have not watched those videos, the link is given below in the description box. You can watch those videos. After that, it will be better to watch this video. So in this tutorial, we will learn formatting this master sheet. Then we will learn to create a formula. With the help of formula, we can create the roster here. And next, we will learn to create the report here for each employee, and for a single day we will create report here. And third and the last one is we will hide and unhide these rows based on the number of employees. So without wasting any more time, let's begin this tutorial. So first we'll format this sheet. So here we will take a font here, this one, and font size as 26, and we'll select all these cells and here size 20, font this one. Okay, we can make it center. Okay, we can do this on right alignment, and we can put the color this one and font color as white. Here I will put this color. Okay, and here I will put this color, font size 12, same font, and color, text color is white. Okay, now here we will do alternate row color. So go to format, to alternate color, I'll select this one. Okay, so it's ready, and here we'll remove this one. Okay, now our color is done here, done. Now select cell up to here and give another color. Okay, and here also in the same way, just give another color. If you wish, you can give a border here like this. All thing is up to you. You can use this color or any other color, that is fully up to you. Now select this range. I will put the same color here and do it bold, and font color is white. Okay, now same thing we will do here. This color, and just select the font, this one, and this as 20, and font color is white, and same as this one. So we'll put up to here, color will be this one, font bold, and font color white. Sorry, don't give bold. Okay, keep this one as Arial, default Arial, make it bold. Okay, and at the bottom here also you can do select up to AJ, and then format, alternate row color, this one remove. Okay, and for this header, select this color, bold, and font color white. Okay, done. And here we will give conditional formatting later on after creating this shift. So formatting is completed up to this. So now we will create a formula to generate this roster. So first we will understand the logic one by one and we'll create the formula one by one. So first we create the logic. If any of these are blank, this cell, this cell, this cell or this cell, is any of these are blank, then we will get blank result, else 1. So I took 1 for temporary, equal to if or this cell. So here we will log the column because we will drag this formula later on. So we log the column equal to blank, comma, this cell equal to blank, comma, equal to blank, comma, this date cell. Here we'll log the row, so we'll press twice, equal to blank, bracket close. Is any of the logic is true, then we will get blank result, else we'll get 1. So we get here 1 because none is blank. If I delete this one, you can see we get blank. If I select anyone, then we got 1. So we got our first logic. Then if all is true, then what we'll check? We will check if the previous cell is blank, then we'll get this cell's value. So for that, we will delete this one and we'll start another logic from value false. If this cell, so here I will not lock this cell. If this cell is equal to blank, then we'll get value of this cell. That means the roster will start from this n1, else 1. So 2 if close 2 bracket, enter. So you can see we got n1. So if we drag, we can see we are getting this value. So here it should be after n1 we have n2. So here it should be n2. But before that, I will put another logic. If we get the last value, then it will move to here. So what is the logic here? Let's understand. Let's delete this one. Okay, so here we will put M7. Okay, so first we'll count how many shifts are there in this list. So for getting this, we need a formula equal to offset. So to get this, we have to go to setting sheet. Our starting cell will be this one. We will log this cell, comma, one row down, comma, offset column. How many column we will go here? Suppose which shift are we in master sheet? So for that, we have to match this. So we'll start a match formula, match, and on previous videos, we have created a name range for these cells, that is S shift type. So go to master sheet here, and here we'll match this one, and here we will lock the column. Okay, comma, range, in which range we will match this. So our range is S underscore S type, comma, search type is 0. 0 means exact match. Okay, match is complete. Now, comma, height will be 32 because we have maximum number of shift on each shift type is 32. So we will put here height 32, comma, width equal to 1, then bracket close, enter. So we can see here it is started from D1, D2, D3, D4. But here is a mistake. If you see shift B, it start from N, because here in the match we have to do -1 because it gives us 2. Match, this result is giving 2. You can see it is giving 2. But here if we move from there 1, 2, it comes here in the shift C, but we have to go to shift B. That's why we'll put here -1. Now you can see we got the value. So how many shift type are here? So for that we can count this. Suppose let's select this formula. So this is a range because offsets creates a range, equal to count A. Then we'll give the range here, bracket close, and enter. So here we have 21 shift. You can see here we have 21 shift. So now we will match this one within this range. If the match of this shift is 21, then we will move to 1. So this is our logic. So if we want to get a match, so let's do here the formula. Let's delete this to bracket. Okay. Now here we again start a logic. If match this cell, that is, we'll put here this cell, comma, we'll give the range here. So this is the range. We'll match this E8 within this range. It will be exact match, bracket close. If the match is greater than or equal to count A, that is, it is greater than equal to total number of shift in this list. So here is the range, bracket close. That means if this logic is true, then we'll get the first shift. So for that we'll use index. Our reference is same, this one, offset, as we done previously, comma 1, bracket close. Else I give value 1 for temporary purpose. Then bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, enter. So now if I drag this, you can see we got N1. You can see N1, and after that, after N1 we got 1, then error, because after N1 it will be N2. So we have not given that logic. So now here we'll give the last logic. So just delete this one. Okay. Last logic is index, index, our reference, comma, match this range within this offset range, exact match, plus 1. That means if we get M1 and N1, then it will be, the value of match will be 1, then we need 2. So we have added 1, then bracket close for index, then bracket close for if. Okay. Now enter. So if I change here N1, you can see it's N1. Now if I drag, you can see N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6, N7, A1, A2. In this way, if we drag, you can see we are getting up to M7 here, then again started N1. So just drag the formula till end and up to row 107. Okay, so drag this till 107. Okay, done. So you can see we do not have any shift here because this one is blank, this one is blank, these are blank. So if I add here shift from N7, you can see N7, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, then again M1, M2. In this way it's going on. If I add here shift D and column started from N6, you can see here is one mistake. Let's check what is the mistake here. So here we have a mistake. So in every cell we get the same value. So here is some mistake. Let's see. Data validation. So here we have locked this cell. So remove this $sign. Okay, done. Now drag this, first delete this. Now drag this formula till end. Okay, Now let's check. Start with N1. Okay, start with N2. It's D3 and 4. Okay, here is still some mistake. So again, let's go to setting sheet. Okay, here it starts from N1, N2, D3, N4. So here is the actual mistake. So we have not locked this range. So press F4, enter. Now drag this till 102. Okay, now you can see start from N1, this one, shift B. Okay, now let's check here. N1, N2, here start from D6, here N5, shift E, start with the last cell A1. Okay, now it is working fine. Now we'll do some conditional formatting for these cell values. So first select this cell up to row 107. Okay, now go to conditional formatting and select here custom formula and type here equal to left bracket open this cell, that is F8, comma 1 bracket close equal to, first we'll do with morning, so M. Okay, then give a color morning, suppose this light color. Okay, now another rule, same formula, custom equal to left bracket open F8 comma 1 okay, bracket close equal to morning afternoon. Then color is, suppose this color, some deep color. Okay, select this one, copy. So why it's not coming here? Sorry, it is cell range will be F8 to AJ 107. Okay, done. Now other F8 to AJ7 107, custom formula. Here instead of A afternoon, then we can give night. N, let's give blue color. Done. Again here AJ 107 and here custom formula equal to this. Then here we do off, for off O, give a gray color. Okay, then another logic, fit to AJ 107 and here custom formula bracket close, here I give C and we can give a color like this. Done. Close this. Now you can see if I change here shift A and select suppose M4, is automatically done. So here we have missed D, so let's do another format, conditional formatting, add another rule here AG 107, then custom formula and here put D. Okay, and now give any color. Suppose I give this color. Okay, now done. So in this way we have to do the conditional formatting. So video is getting too longer, it's already been 20 to 25 minutes. So we'll cover the rest of the things on the next part, the final report on employee basis, then this counting, and the last thing is hiding and unadding these rows based on the number of employees. If there is less employee, then these rows will be hidden, and whenever we add new employee, then the rows will unhide automatically. So we'll do this on the next part. I hope you have understood this video. If you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write to me. I will try to help you, and you can visit our website too. There you can get our premium templates at a very low cost. Thanks for watching this video till the end.